Hello guys, welcome to class. This video tutorial I'll be showing you how to record an amazing voiceover and do many other things using this app called Voloco. There are many things you can do using this app called Voloco. So let's go. So go over to your Play Store and download Voloco. Yeah, we have it here. You see Voloco. I have this app installed already on my phone, so we go ahead to make use of it. So you launch the app, then you have something this way, an option to pay for the premium version of it. So but we're not paying for the premium version, so what we do is to just cancel it up here, click on that, exit. So we are here right now. So what we do, so this Voloco app, you can use it to record beats, record songs, and then publish it and all of those things, but we are not gonna do that here. Our major focus is on creating voiceover for your brand or anything. So I have some things I've done here, so let's come over to see some of the things I have done here before now. Not all, I've deleted some, but I think I still have few of them. Okay, so let's play this.
What about the sticks? What about the sun? What about everything you do for the past days? What about the sticks? What about the sun? What about everything you do for the past days?
Let me try this.
Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up 3.0, brought to you by Dion Academy, a subdivision of Dion International Business.
Okay, you can feel it. So there are many things you can do: video project, quick project, and lots of that. So how do you get started? Just click on this plus icon down here. So you click there, you have this. You can start with new project or just do quick record if you already set up your equalizer, so the sound you want. So what you just do is to click on new project. So you see all of these things. Okay, I will just tell them you will, even if you will not. Don't mind me. All right, so what next? So you see this interface here, and you are seeing something. Sweep up to open the live vocal view if you want to have the live vocal view. Okay, this is where you do settings. Now tap here to change the vocal effects. So you want to change the tune, so you have hard tune, super vocal, big chorus, clean. So you can try out any of them actually. So these other options are locked up just for premium users, so you can just leave it up natural tune, or you can use clean depending on what you want. So let's leave it at natural tune. So but let's say you are doing a chorus, you can use big chorus. So it all depends on you. So we have this composer, you can leave it at this blasted. So if you want to do a rap, you can change it to rap. You can use it to do pop, moderate. So you try them out and see what you have. Then the equalizer, so let's leave it as vocal clarity. So or you use low and high boost. Is it that you leave it at this vocal clarity? Let's say you're recording voiceover. Remember, this video tutorial is for the purpose of recording voiceover. So is it that you leave it at the vocal clarity, or then at low and high boost? That should be okay. That will be okay. Then we have this reverb. Leave it at this low and narrow. Yeah, if you add large hall, you have this echo of a large hall, somebody who is in a large hall talking. So let's say you are doing this record for something, maybe an event, that there is need to have that effect, that echo of a large hall. You can go ahead to change it to the large hall. So medium room, So depending on what you want done, you set it to suit your test. Then these other things you need, you don't really need this now, so this is okay. You sweep down, we swept up to have this, you sweep down, okay, and we are good to go. Just click on the record and you start recording. So you can increase the FX and the volume, so this way you are good to go. Then there are other things you can do here. So we have this up here. So when you click there, you select the key you want to record with, the key you want to give your voice. You can do this, let's say you are working for a brand, so this is C major. Let's say you want to use C minor, C major, or any key. Just select this, click here. Let me show you. Let's say you want it to be minor or major, click here. Then to select the key, click on this other one. So let's select the key. You can select key C, C sharp, and D flat. You can select D, anyone you choose. So you have the keys here. So and once you select the key, you come over here, you click on record and you start your recording. You get it? So you do your recording. When you are done with your recording, the recording may not be working now because the app we are using to screen record this will not allow another app to record. So just one app recording at a time. So the recording may not work now, but I've played samples of things I've done here. So when you're done with your recording, you see an option when you cut it, an option to save it. You can add beats. You want to add beats to it, click on add beat. You could just use vocal beat. Let's play some of these beats. You just select anyone, click on record, anyone you like, just click on record and it will be uploaded here. So let's go back, as this is not gonna work out for us to record here because we are using another recording app. So let me show you something with this.
Hello.
So when you come over here, you can download as audio, you can download as video, you can rename, you can as well publish. So and after recording, always ensure you save the work. If not, you will lose your work. Always ensure you save it. You can click on publish and you do all of these things and you publish it on this Voloco. Other persons using Voloco app can see your work, all of those things. So let's say you did a music, all right. So this is how to record voiceover using Voloco. In my next video tutorial, I'll be introducing another app that you as well use to record voiceover, convert text to speech, and edit audios and do a whole lot of things. All you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload the next video, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you and see you in next class. Bye.